brown gravy smothered chops. Oh, this is one of the go-to meals, right? Pork chops. These are, of course, boneless, as you can see. Now, we cut these chops right out of the pork loin, right? The center cut pork loin. You do that, you save yourself a lot of money, or let your butcher cut your boneless pork chops. That's up to you. Now, this recipe is all about the gravy, so we're going to make a quick brown gravy, at least the brown gravy that we want for our chops. Now, you make your favorite gravy, right? If you got something going on from your mama, from your papa, do that. Use your favorite gravy. That's totally up to you. But this one here, we're just doing an onion, garlic, mushroom. It's excellent for these gravy smothered pork chops. Oh yeah, get the garlic in there, plenty of garlic. And here we're adding a little bit of a brown mustard, just some background. And here we've got some paprika. So you set this up the way you want. You know what I'm talking about. Here's some broth going in. Oh yeah. Simple enough. You cook it down. You want it to thicken up. You may need some flour and water to thicken it up a bit. Or some cornstarch. That's up to you. All right. So, fast forward a bit. It's beginning to thicken. Got a bit of time to go. And now we want to take our boneless pork chops and we're going to grill them direct over the fire. Just to get the texture we want, right? You get the flavor in the flames. Oh, man. Yeah, this is it. This is what makes your gravy smothered chops better than do it in the kitchen. All right, seared both sides. Now into the gravy. Simple enough. And of course, this won't take long to do, right? We don't want to overcook them. We just want to simmer them. And this thick brown gravy, just like that. All right. Oh, man. Take a look at that. All right. So, we're just going to fast forward here. You've seen enough. It's time to eat. Oh. Now, we've got some sides, right? Got the chops, of course. Got the corn. We got some taters. Oh, man. Take a look at that. Pour that brown gravy all over them chops. Some taters. Got a little slaw on the side there. Are you kidding? We're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. Whew. Man. So to get the recipe, head on over to our website. We do appreciate your support. We've been doing this 15, 17 years now. And while you're at our website, sign up a chapter. We've got 18,000 in over 100 countries, and we just love you to sign up. Oh, of course, we got to show you this. Are you kidding? So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.